Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove background in Capcut and add new background. So first, you just have to drag that picture. For example, this one right here. And then what you're going to do next is go to the right side, tap video, click this remove digi, scroll down and tap this auto removal. As you can see, it will detect the person or the faces of humans, and all you have to do is to click this one. You have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And once done, then of course you will see the result that the background has been removed. Now talking about a green screen, or let's just say a video right here, how are you going to remove this green screen background? First, you have to drag the video right here, tap the video, go back to the right side, look for remove digi, scroll down, and then look for this Chrome key right here. Now click this pencil icon and tap it on the green screen, and then you will see the result. Now you can change the intensity here, the shadow, everything is up to you. So if you want to increase intensity, you just have to drag it up. For me, it's okay now. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a background. So click this picture right here. Okay, and then resize. So let me resize. And in order for me to set this as background, I have to move it down and then put this video on the top. Let me resize the video and fit it to the video's length. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And as you can see, if I play this, then I have the new background right here. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.